Did you know the Hoover Dam was completed in just 5 years, from 1931 to 1936, during the Great Depression? It was a massive feat of engineering, using enough concrete to build a two-lane highway from San Francisco to New York City. The dam creates Lake Mead, which is the largest reservoir in the U.S., holding over 28 million acre-feet of water. Interestingly, the dam's power plant generates enough electricity to power 1.3 million homes. And here's a wild fact. The dam is so massive that it actually creates its own weather patterns, with clouds forming above it due to the temperature differences. It's not just a dam, it's a monumental piece of American history.